Hello everyone, my name is Tanuj. Welcome to live site visit. Today I'm going to give you a brief about my project Sky Mansion Rizland at Chhatarpur. This project will spread across 1.1 acre of land parcel with a configuration of 3 BHK, 4 BHK and triplex of penthouses. So I'll just take you to directly to my 3 BHK. Let's take an overview of a project orientation of our Rizland Sky Mansion. So this will be the main entrance which you came from. This will be the main entrance when you enter. At the basement we have a one car park, still 1, still 2, and the second floor is entirely a clubhouse, which is a 4.1 acre of land parcel. It's completely spread over an area of 75,000 square feet. We came up with only 4 towers in 4.1 acre of land parcel, which is tower number A is of 4 BHK, B, C and D is of 3 BHKs. Project height is till 26th floor. Up till 23rd, we coming up with simplex, only 2 flats per floor, and on floor number 24, 25, 26 is a triplex with an area of 11,000 square feet, and another towers we are coming up with an area of 9,500 square feet. Each floor, if you'll see, we're coming up with 6 feet of wide balconies. In some floors, we have double-heighted balconies also, which we are offering. The best part is the entire 20th floor is your skywalk, which is a connected, as good as your rescue level also. And we are planning to come up with placing some few amenities in this lane also. So if someone who's been staying at, say, floor number 5, so that person have an access of floor number 5 and 20th floor if he want to visit that site. This part will be north facing part. All the entries of your flats are east and west, so Vastu compliant won't be an issue. To your south part, there is a known vehicle zone where you can have a walk for entire. All the clubhouse amenities been placed over here, which have a temperature control, half size temperature control pool, and all the amenities in the second floor. That I'll show you when we go at the experience center. Welcome to the sales experience what we are coming up as a company. If you can see, being a Rizland as a company, we are listed among 7 to 10 countries across the globe, which has been part of Singapore, Japan, India, UK, US, New Zealand, Bangkok, Thailand. So we have a presence across the globe in all the places. Moving ahead, if we'll talk about Delhi as a location, our project is 100-meter height. So, अगर आप दिल्ली में whatsoever building you will see, the maximum height is 102 meters, which is a commercial building. So, as a residential, this is the tallest tower, जो कि 100 meter heights पे है. If we'll talk about Qutub Minar also, Qutub Minar की height भी कोई 73 meters की आती है. ठीक है? Moving ahead. So ये हमारा this will be the lining of your linear structure पे हमारा structure बना है, which is having in morning time the sun will rise from the east to the west. You will be getting sun rays in the morning side और evening में आपको front side पे आपको सारी sun rays मिल जाएंगी. This is a cross ventilated flat जिसमें 34% आपकी major west wind रहेगी, 18% eastward, 19% northeastward. So जितनी भी आपका wind flow होगा, your flat as I told you 2 का ही core है. So it's completely a cross ventilated. Now I'll show you the aerial view of your clubhouse, जहाँ पे 4.1 एकड़ के लैंड पार्सल में कंप्लीट आपका एक क्लब हाउस हम लोग ऑफर कर रहे हैं, जिसमें 75,000 स्क्वायर फीट का जो क्लब हाउस है वो टोटल एरिया है, विच इंक्लूड एक्सटर्नल पार्ट एंड द इंटरनल पार्ट. इंटरनली बात करूँगा वो 33,000 स्क्वायर फीट का इंटरनल पार्ट आ जाता है. स्टार्टिंग में वी कमिंग विद ओपन लॉन्च और पार्टी हॉल. Moving ahead, this will be your library, your cafeteria, your sitting area, co-working space. This will be your fine dining for restaurant, which will be open from both the side. There's a water body which is placed outside. Moving ahead, this is your gymnasium, his and her your changing room, which is facing your half Olympic size temperature control pool. Your CrossFit area. Moving ahead, this will be your indoor game zone, and this we coming up with an open gymnasium culture, which will be open to your ventilation and all. Moving ahead, you have a sit-outs area and the kids play area, जहाँ पे you have those rubber flooring so that if some mishappening happens तो कुछ होगा नहीं. इसके basement में we are coming up with a squash court and the long full stretch आपका tennis court हम लोग provide करते हैं. Being a Rizland as a company has been taking care of post-possession things also. So there is a concierge which will be placed in your doorstep. If we'll talk about what our offering, what we coming up, this will be there will be an application which has been installed in your app. So whomsoever the visitor which is coming to your place, so you'll get a notify. Any domestic stuff you need for your basic needs and all, you will know, you have a notice board. If something, some function or an event which is happening in your vicinity or your society, you will get a notification for that. Any complaint, you want to replace some bulb or any complaint which is there, you can launch that. The person will be there in your doorstep. Notify me if you're planning some event, you need someone to come, a set of 50 people are approaching your home, so you can give a list to the person, these are the 50 person, they are coming to my place, so they don't disturb you again. I'm looking for, if say your maid is not available for a day's time or two, so you can hire a maid, a cook, a driver for a time purpose, for time being a purpose. If you'll see the basement, you have seen the flooring will be a green colored, which is an epoxy flooring, which will help you to increase the life of your tires, whatever, easy to clean, easy to maintain your flooring part, and have a good grip for your. So the moment when you enter your main entrance, there will be a chip which will be installed in your number plate only. So whenever that you came to the main gate, it will reflect to the reflector and the door will open, automatically opens up. Moving ahead, we are providing you a 5-level smart security features. So if we'll talk about level 1, there will be intercom, entire vicinity will be surrounded with your wiring, electrical fencing. Moving ahead, you will get an electrical portal system. Electrical portal system is nothing that what we are coming up, whomsoever the staff we are hiring will put a chip in their dress code, so they will trace their movements wherever they're going. Moving ahead, your video con, your digital, every passage, every common area, there will be a camera which will be installed in your vicinity. When we talk about if some guest who is approaching you, some person who will be approaching you at yourself, when the person will enter the lift lobby, there will be this panel. So whenever the person will enter your house number, say 502, so there will be a call which will reflect in your home and you will see the video. The moment you will approve that, then only the person can access your home. This is a panel which will be placed in your home at the main hall, where you can easily access with respect to your lightning effect. If you want to go out, you can switch on the light accordingly. If you're going away, you can switch off the light. If you want to press the power button, it will switch all the lights. So there's a one stop solution for every lightning effect what you need, and it will be customized according to your needs and requirement. If we'll talk about internally the home, your home is a smart home, which we 8 feature what we are providing inside your home, starting from a smart lock. Moving ahead, this will be your smart light control, which will control from your mobile only. LED light, night light. So there will be a camera which will be installed in your main living area. So there is a third-party movement you can capture. That access is with you only. If we'll talk about this, there is a video calling access. There will be emergency aid. There will be a panic button which has been installed in your living area and in your master bedroom. So that there is some mishappening happen in your place, you can just press that. The nearest possible person will be reaching you and solve the purpose. Moving ahead, there will be a gas detector and the screen switching. As I discussed with you, the screen switching is something any third party is coming to your home, so you'll get a notify that this person is approaching to you. Entire flat will be cross ventilated. There won't be any common wall which is being doing a partition. So only 2 ka core is there. So you will get entirely cross ventilated flat. So these are the actual views what you're getting in your flat. So we have just kept it as a difference between a common room and a air purifier room. So we are providing you with air filter. So if you see the difference, room 1 and room 2, so PM value is 24, here is 58. This part will be your in-house, your software part, soft part. Now we'll come to the actual constructed part and the strong part. As we know, Delhi comes under Seismic Zone 4, so we have to maintain the features of Seismic Zone 5. So whatsoever as per the Delhi guideline, we have to maintain these type of structure. But what we did, we have doubled the scale of your structure with advanced coupler. So if you'll see the internal part, we're giving you a Gobian glasses, 2 glasses जिसमें partition रहेगा so that there would be a lesser noise pollution. So if you can see the difference, when you ring the bell, there is this much difference, and when you open it, this will be the difference. Same way you can feel warmer in winter, cooler in summer. This is interior fixture what we are offering, natural Italian marble, Botticino marble. This will be in interior home, and this will be in entire kitchen and common washrooms and all. These are something what you're getting in your kitchens, your fall ceilings outfits, chandeliers के switching what you're getting, Yale का smart lock you're getting. Internally, all the bathroom fixtures are of your color. So this is your common passage of your flat, जहाँ पे we have 2 flats per floor with 2 elevators. We have a separate elevator for your servant and whomsoever the third person who will be approaching your home. Being a delivery boy, being someone wants to move some luggage, so we have a separate lift. This will be an entry and exit for a servant room, which will be accessible from outside only. This is your servant room. We're giving a separate room for your utility area where you can place your washing machine area and utilize the actual space. So this is a place for a servant room. This servant can access through kitchen from here only, so that person won't disturb your common passage area and the main entrance door. We are back in our common passage area, so we're going to enter the 3 BHK flat. You will be getting 9 feet tall wooden door with an access card of Yale, जहाँ पे you can access through a pin code, through a finger sensor, through a chip. You can create a QR code in the smart lock also. So let's enter the 3 BHK flat. So this will be the entrance of your 3 BHK, जहाँ पे the main USP of the project is floor to ceiling height, जहाँ पे आपको 12.5 फीट की floor to ceiling height मिलती है. This is a smart home जिसमें आपके हर एक चीज़ यहाँ पे empaneled रहेंगे with your security features, जहाँ पे you can switch off the light, you can switch on with a simple access. अगर आपको common passage के लगाने तो you can switch on, switch off accordingly. So this will be a living and dining area जहाँ पे you'll get an ample amount of space with a 6 feet attached balcony. Complete घर आपका centralized AC के साथ है, and in middle of your home we are providing with a air purifier, जो कि आपके पूरे घर की filtration point of view से हर एक चीज़ से आपको यहाँ पे filter करके मिलती है. If I'll talk about my kitchen, आपका एक complete kitchen मॉडुलर मिलता है बॉश के फिट आउट्स के साथ, स्टार्टिंग फ्रॉम ए चिमनी, योर चिमनी हॉब, योर ऑल द थिंग्स विल बी इंस्टॉल इन द किचन. सब कुछ एज अ पैकेज मिलता है एल्स देन योर रेफ्रिजरेटर. इसमें आपका डिश वॉशर से लेके RO से लेके गार्बेज क्रशर तक वी आर प्रोवाइडिंग इनसाइड. जो भी आप कैबिनेट देख रहे हैं, जैसे देख रहे हैं, एग्जैक्टली सेम यू विल बी गेटिंग. यहाँ पे एक्चुअल फ्लैट में इस डोर पे यहाँ पे एक स्लाइडर प्लेस हो जाएगा. मूविंग अहेड टुवर्ड्स योर राइट हमारा एक पाउडर रूम प्लेस्ड है. If some guests are coming, so यहाँ से accessible हो जाती है. If we'll talk about this side, we are giving you good amount of good sized balcony. So if we'll talk about balcony, आपकी clear 6 feet की clear balconies मिलती हैं both the side. इस side पे देखेंगे you only see the green part. If we'll talk about the project's flooring, ये सारी की सारी natural Italian natural marble है, Botticino marble जिसको बोलते हैं. So we are providing with this. So up till here this will become your public area. Now your private area will be starting. If you could see, there is no wastage of passage. यहाँ पे एक bedroom है, यहाँ पे bedroom है. This will be a master bedroom. I'll show you, take you to the first kids bedroom. So still you can see the floor to ceiling height is still 12 feet clear height you will getting with centralized AC और यहाँ पे air purifier की provisioning रहेगी. This also come with 6 feet. So this come with the attached 6 feet wide balcony with a running balcony. If you want us to remove this, we'll remove you for this. तो ये आपकी पूरी running balcony जो हो जाती है. We kept it because it's your private area. Personalization चाहिए तो आप हम लोगों में we keep this part. So अगर आपको एक running balcony का feel लेना है तो you can take a complete shot of running balcony also. This bedroom comes with the attached toilet जहाँ पे आपको अलग से wardrobe के niches के लिए जगह मिल जाती है. So this washroom part will be a part of your package जिसमें सारे के सारे fit outs and fixtures is of Kohler. Starting from a WC bathroom के जो भी है हर एक जो आपका fit outs है with the brand of Kohler का brand आता है. फिर टॉक अबाउट जो सेकंड बेडरूम जो कि आपका एक गेस्ट बेडरूम बन जाता है. सेम फ्लोर टू सीलिंग हाइट है आपकी 12 फीट की. यहाँ पे आपके एसी सेंट्रलाइज एसी के डक रहेंगे एंड एयर प्योरीफायर विद अटैच टॉयलेट और वार्डरोब नीश आपको अलग से प्रोवाइड हो जाएगी. So this come with a 6 feet wide balcony जिसमें आपका पूरा ये connected 6 running balcony है. ये हम लोगों ने partition इसलिए रखा हुआ है कि फिर servant can't access your rooms. तो यहाँ से आपके servant room की entry रहेगी. There is a dry space जहाँ पे आपका washing machine and all रहेगा. So talking about your master bedroom, this will be a master bedroom entry जहाँ पे आपकी 6 feet wide balcony आ जाती है और आपका इस साइड पे भी पूरा cross ventilation है. Same floor to ceiling height is 12 foot जो after fall ceiling के बाद clear हो रही है. यहाँ पे आपका AC डक आ जाते हैं ना प्योरीफायर ओवर हियर. इफ you'll see, we are giving you a separate niche for your wardrobes and a dresser. This is your toilet जहाँ पे आपको हर एक चीज़ Kohler की फिट आउट्स के साथ है, which a separate niche for your bathing area. This also comes with your separate 6 feet wide balcony. So this is an overview for a 3 BHK area of 3300 square feet. So what are the fixtures and things you will be seeing the entire flat, being a flooring, being a fall ceiling, being a lightning effects. This सारा का सारा company will give you as a package. Entire home will be your smart home. So this is our experience. I request you to please visit us and have a taste of luxury what we're coming up in all together in Chhattarpur 3 BHK. Thank you.